Alrighty everybody, welcome to Skill Up Team Engine. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you all of the jumps that you should know on map the Mirage. Even this jump that I showed you just now. So let's go for it. Okay, so firstly let's start with the A side on the Mirage. Be aware that you can jump on this box, but you have to crouch during the jump to actually you could land on the top. So like this. As you can see, we are on the top. Then you can pick warrior's position, but you can of course jump on this position, which is called ticket, and then you can simply watch connector or whatever else you want to pick. You can also jump on those boxes, but for this you have to use this like curb or whatever, because from this height of the floor you cannot jump on the boxes. But if you are using those like stairs, these small stairs, you can actually jump on this box quite easily. So again, you just have to crouch during the jump like this. You can jump on this box as well, and from this position you can jump towards the palace, peek and kill anybody you want. So for example, in my case I'm using this jump in the majority of cases when we have Porch. So I'm running with Deagle, I'm just coming there, jump here on box towards the palace and peek in the palace, killing everybody who I see, and easy round for us. Be aware that you can jump on those boxes same as you can jump on these boxes, that is not like skybox or whatever. And you can also jump on those boxes here and on the top of the firebox as well. You can jump on this like bench, but you cannot jump unfortunately on this position. On A side you can also jump on those like bricks under the palace. To actually you can hide under the palace and use this position to surprise the enemies. You can also jump on this box, but it's a little bit tricky because you can't just like come and jump and crouch and you will be on the top. You have to again use this small stair here to you could jump on the top, and you have to again crouch during the jump like this. And as you can see, we are on the top of the box. Nextly, of course, you can jump from stairs to Tetris, and from Tetris you can jump on towards the like palace on those boxes, and you can jump from Tetris also on the second box and then straight towards the palace. So you can skip one of the jumps, so you can get from the Tetris towards the palace a bit faster. Now when we are moving towards the ramp, we can easily jump here on the roof and again await the enemies, or we can just jump across towards this part of the map, and from here we can, for example, throw smokes, wait for enemies again, or whatever else. Be aware that you can also jump on the fence that you can see here, and it is a bit tricky. Again, you have to jump as late as possible, and you have to again crouch during the like jump. So yeah, that is not so hard in the end. From this position you can again throw warrior smokes, or just wait here for any opponents and they will not expect you in this off angle position. On the T-spawn you can of course jump on this bin, from here throw warrior smokes again, and of course close to T-spawn we have those boxes, so you don't have to use stairs, but when you are coming from second side you can use those boxes, jump on this ramp towards the TV, or you can just stand on the top of those boxes and do warriors plays against the players running from T-spawn or whatever else. Okay, now let's go for the B jumps. So firstly let's start in the kitchen. You of course know that you can jump on the top of this like freezer or whatever. You can just come towards it, jump first, you will jump like on the middle step, and then again jump and crouch, and you are on the top and you can await your opponents again. You can also jump on this shelf, for example when there is bad smoke or anything else, you can like look for some info that you could see, but other way it's useless position. You can of course jump here on this table. Unfortunately you cannot be boosted on those shelves or on these boxes, but when we are coming on B side there are multiple interesting jumps again. For example, you can be boosted on these boxes by your teammate, which is quite a useless position, but yeah, you can do it. Nextly, of course, you cannot jump on this position solo, but you can be boosted by your teammate on this quite an interesting ninja boost, from which we all saw already multiple amazing plays. So just be aware that you can go there again, there is no skybox. Nextly, you can jump here on the wall, from where you can look for various informations, for example if there is smoke or anything else. And you can jump on those boxes as well. You have to simply run and jump straight towards the corner of those boxes, like this. And as you can see, I landed like at the middle step or whatever, and when I will jump again and crouch, I am on top of those boxes, and from this position I can play safely towards the side, or I can uncrouch and actually I can watch towards the B-apps from this position as well. And as you could see, I get on this position just by myself. I didn't need anybody to boost me. Here of course you can jump on those boxes and on the van and jump towards this plateau. You can also jump here on this table, play safely and hidden and wait for the opponents, or here you can jump on those position and again try to get any pick when the opponents will not wait on you and like kill them towards the back or anything else. You can also jump here over those sofa and everything. This is in majority used for the back smoke, but almost everybody already know about this back smoke, so don't use this position much. You can jump on those like in the kitchen or whatever quite much. You cannot get on the freezer, but when you are saving, it could be quite an easy position. Also you can jump on this shelf where the opponent could not wait you, mainly not in this position, so even if he starts to shoot on you, he will not expect that your head will be completely in different position, so you have a slight advantage. Nextly, you can jump from the plateau towards the window, that just like trick jump, and it's simply by just running towards the end and then strafe towards the left. You need a bit of practice for that, but yeah, after a while it's not so hard, and like in some games, in some rounds, you can use this jump and surprise enemies from the different position, from strange position, and when you see them you can just shoot few times and then just slightly and simply jump out of window without any problem. Nextly, be aware that you can be boosted on those boxes as well, so when you are retaking beside or whatever, you will call to your teammate that you want to get boosted, and then you can peek towards the apps, backside or anything else actually. As you can see, I can see even the side from this position. And now here when we are coming top mid, you may be new or maybe not, you can solo jump on those boxes on mid. Simply come here towards the corner, just jump and crouch, and as you can see we are like at the some kind of middle step, and then when you will jump again, voila, we are on the top of the like trash or whatever, top mid boxes. And then when you know the back smoke for the trash, you can easily surprise the mid window player from this position. To window you can be also boosted by your teammate, or you can simply jump there from the bench that was added in one of the recent patches. So for that you will just jump on the bench, and then you will just slightly run, jump and strafe towards the right till you will land on this concrete here, so like this. As you can see, we are on the concrete, and then just again jump and crouch and we are in the window. Also you can jump on the fence on the A short. For this, simply come here towards the B sign, jump once, you are like on the middle step, then second time when you will jump you are on this like concrete, and when you will jump third time you are at the top, and then you can decide whether you plan to like do various plays with smoke on the short or whatever else, or whether you are jumping just towards the window. You can jump on the fence from second side as well, so just come towards the B and just jump once. As you can see there, we needed only one jump. In comparison, on the second side we needed 2 jumps. So in the game, in the competitive, on the Faceit, you can decide which one you will use. In the window you can also jump on this wood, where you can wait for the opponents, and you can jump on this wood as well, and from this position, for example, you can watch towards the under position. You cannot see who is going from the under and towards the connector, but if anybody will jump on this like part of the map, this curve, you can see them and kill them easily. Okay, next, let's say that you want to jump towards the window in the window. So for this you have to jump on this like window sill or whatever, and then you will run in front, you will jump and like strafe towards the left. You have to land on those bricks, but be aware, because when you are running in the front, you are not watching in front on those wood, because then you would be just blocked by the top and so on. But you have to watch a bit to the left, not too much, because then you would just drop from the sill, but you know, you have to test a few times till you could jump it properly. So in the end, like this, you see, and we are on the bricks, then we can just broke the vent, and again just slide jump, strafe towards the left and crouch during the jump, and we are in the window. Here we can also jump how we want. It's quite easy at this position. At the city you can jump as on those bricks, and here wait for the opponents. The same, you can jump on the bricks on the other side, but you know, we all know that those bricks are more usable and like better position. But be aware, because when the opponent can expect you there, he can just shoot and wallbang you through there with the AWP or anything else, and I believe it can easily kill you if you are low HP, or not sure how much damage it dealing, but yeah, he can kill you. And the last jump that I have prepared for you is from the mid window towards the A short on the fence. You could saw me do it at the start of the video, and I believe that is one of the hardest jumps that are in the CSGO at the moment. But in some cases it can really make difference in the game, when the opponents will not expect you at the start of the round on the top of the fence. As you could see at the start of the video, I went just straight through the vent and jump there, but simply the trick is that you are running here towards this line, let's say, then when you are somewhere around this position you will jump towards the windowsill again, but you are not stopping. As you could see, I still ran because I had speed from this jump. So you will here like make step or two, and then you will again jump and strafe toward the right till you can land on the top of the short. So in the end it looks like this: run, jump strafe, and as you can see, we are on the top of the fence. From here again you can do warriors plays, wait for top mid players, but watch out because they flash it very often, so you can just wait, rotate it or whatever you can decide. You will see how it works for you, but yeah, practice this jump because it is, as I said, one of the hardest jump that I know so far in the CSGO at the moment. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. I really hope I helped you, or that I learned you something you didn't know. If you want to see more tutorial videos on this channel, hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe, or you can join our membership program and become one of these killers, what will unlock you multiple perks on the channel, as special loyalty badges, access to member-only community posts, and also it will support our channel in a huge way. Also, you can follow us on our socials, where you can find various info about new videos and short tutorial posts as well. Okay, but now that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.